Hey fam, it's the video we've been waiting for. It's the Ruff family surprising my birthday with the trip to where, Queen? Let's get into it.
Minute, but I want to surprise you with a surprise birthday trip. I know how much you wanted to.
Where are we going?
Okay, I'm not going to tell you where we're going, but you just have to pack for warm weather. How about that? You pack for warm weather. We're leaving in the morning, and I know it's already morning. The car will be here at 9. And I know it's last minute, but I know you can make something happen. You got a lot of drip in your closet. I'm not telling you where we're going. Just know that you have to pack.
For real? Are you being serious?
Babe, I'm not going.
Of course she's being serious. She takes birthdays very seriously, Clarence. Get with it.
Trust me, I'm not going to lie to you about this.
It's 2 in the morning and you're saying the car's going to be here at 9?
Yeah, but you got 7 hours, and I'm sure you could do something.
You could pack and go to sleep, Clarence. Come on now.
You look really tired. Why don't you just get some sleep? But you definitely just got to pack before 9. We're going on a little birthday trip. I'm not telling you, and
I'm going to need a passport. So we going?
Yeah. I'm not telling you where we're going.
International.
Yeah, I know you kept saying that you wanted another vacation, and this is your birthday vacation, so.
Check me out. Thank you, babe. I love you. You always find a way to make my.
You always find a way to make my birthday special too. I have something special for you. Just keep that in mind, okay?
Okay.
How do you feel right now? You feel good to be 28? You just feel tired?
Where are we going?
Babe, I'm not gonna tell you where we're going. Lord have mercy, it's a surprise. I can never surprise you, y'all. I usually do the surprise like birthday parties and things like that, but I decided to do some a little different. A little older now, we're getting older. Nice vacation, you feel me? Y'all know I always gotta come with something. I got my scarf, y'all. I'm so tired. I look crazy. And my
girl, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Nobody expecting you to be fully, but you already made up and everything. Your hair is fine.
Teeth hurt. Babe, you know I postponed my wisdom tooth removal for this trip. Literally, I'm gonna be popping Tylenol extra strength on this vacation. So I'm dumb tired, but I love you guys so much. Why am I saying that? Wait. Yeah, I'm tired. I want to show us going to the airport, you being blindfolded and, you know, to be continued. You gotta...
Blindfolded?
Yes, you gotta get blindfolded, babe. When we get close to the gate. And you have to wear your headphones.
For what? I'm not...
Babe, you gotta be blindfolded.
The only way I'll find out is, like, on the airplane or...
No, you gotta have your headphones. Babe, you have to wear your headphones to listen to music. You cannot know. It's a surprise. Good night, y'all. Good night for right now. We are at the airport. It's the next morning. We just made it through security, but we got some bad news. We did miss our flight. Our flight was supposed to leave at 11:10, and we got here at 10:45. So if we didn't have to check bags, then we would have made it, but we had to check our bags, so we had to wait till the next flight. So, you know, it's all good. It's not super far from now. The next flight is at 2, so we should be good. We got a little time to probably eat some breakfast. We didn't get a chance to eat or anything, so at least, you know, I'm just looking at the glass half full instead of half empty. I heard you good with them. Lips.
Yeah, you know, word of mouth. Square root of 69 is a something.
Right? Because I've been trying to figure it out. We're about to make our way to the gate. Y'all see these blindfolds right here? Clarence got to put these on. And his earphones. No, I will lead you. You got to trust me.
Well, I'm going to see.
All right, y'all. Now's the time. No, you're not.
Well,
we almost at our gate. And I'm going to need you, sir, to put these blindfolds on. Put on the blindfolds. No, babe, you can't do that.
You just gotta hold my hand.
I got your hand. Just keep walking with me.
I can't see, bro.
You can't?
I'm trying to see.
No, you can't. You're not gonna be able to.
My mask coming on.
No, you're doing it on purpose. You're doing it on purpose. My mask coming off. He's sitting here blindfolded. He's gonna have to put on his headphones and listen to music like he do anyway. Oh, babe, what you doing? Why you taking your headphones out?
My fault.
Keep your headphones in.
My fault.
You can't hear. Can you hear me?
Where the other one at, Claire? I hope he got 2 AirPods. You better check them, girl.
Okay, I guess he can't hear me. Y'all will be finding out what the surprise vacation destination is. Bye, see you later. Toodles. Alright, y'all, what's up? The last time y'all seen us, Clarence was going through the airport with the blindfold on. Man, you just couldn't wait to say it. We are in, say it one more time.
We're in Mexico.
We're in Mexico.
Claire. Why you had to mess up a little announcement? He acting up at 28 already.
All right, y'all, and this is our first time here. The reason why I chose this place is because when we were on tour, Clarence, he kept saying he wanted vacation, and I heard Hawaii come out of his mouth. And I really wanted to go to Hawaii, but y'all, like, with the time and everything, that's like an 11-hour flight. So I was like, okay, where can we go that's different from like Jamaica and the Caribbean, stuff like that?
Close.
So, you know, this was only like a 2-hour and something flight, and we arrived in Mexico, and I'm really excited. I hope he's really excited.
They picked me up. I don't even drink beer.
Look, they already got like Coronas and stuff. He's already about to do the pregame. And even though we like missed our flight, we here at a good time still. So we're gonna have a good time. We're gonna go to our room and just vlog everything. And once again, happy birthday. It's still his birthday. Actually, this is just beginning.
Y'all let us know if you've been to Mexico before.
Ayacoba. Let's do it.
Do they have any different kind of bugs out here? Do they have different kind of bugs out here?
The hotel is sprayed. The mosquitoes, everything.
Okay. Hello.
Okay.
We're about to go into our hotel.
We have a welcome drink for you. A lot of tequila, a little bit tequila.
Okay, thank you. Which one has the least tequila?
This one.
Okay, thank you.
Oh,
Cheers
good.
to happy birthday. Thanks for tying my shoe right now. We're about to get on the boat. This is pretty dope.
Yeah, I take a boat to our room. This is crazy.
This is so nice, right, babe?
This is fire.
All right, y'all, we about to walk in. I'll show y'all the room right now, but we got...
We're in Mexico.
We in Mexico. We got real nice and fleet. Look at him. Ooh, daddy. It's your birthday. You better get some birthday cheeks. You might get some birthday.
I might.
Well, not, but he said he liked his trip so far, so we about to go to dinner the first night. You want me to show you?
Dior's on the feet.
We got the Dior's on the feet.
Then we got Eric Emanuel. You know what I'm saying? Gucci inspired shorts. Then we got the Dior shirt. You know what I'm saying? Heavily printed. And then we got the tote. You know what I'm saying?
Dior tote, okay.
And then we got the ice. And then it's just me. You know what I'm saying? It's me.
That's you. And you know I love when you wear those earrings too.
Yeah. So
You
I
look
put them
really
on
good. Those
so I can
things.
get some.
That's why you put them on, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, don't be doing me like that. All right, y'all, we about to go right in the golf cart. They're waiting on us outside, so we about to go. We're ordering, y'all.
I like the lighted pathway. That's nice. It looks like it's out, like somebody carved out something in the woods, and it's like it's a little vibe to it. I like it.
How would you like medium well?
Medium well. I thought we were on cocktail. Where is the cartel?
You have pineapple juice?
You have pineapple juice?
I'll do pineapple juice.
With pineapple on the side or mix it?
You can mix
Oh,
it.
y'all, I'm trying to put some in. I don't even see the drinks. I can't wait to eat, y'all. I'm starving.
For the salsa, we have serrano pepper, garlic, onion, cilantro, and salt.
Okay.
It's okay with all the ingredients?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, freshly made, y'all. I'm about to take some lime juice and some tahini. It's a little hack I learned on TikTok. If you know what that is, I ain't even gonna say nothing. If you know what it is, comment down below. I'm about to take some lime shots and some tahini. I'm trying to stop something so I could just look it up, ladies. Ooh, ready to eat? We're gonna try our food together, y'all.
Your hair, queen. It looks nice.
This is beans, rice.
Are you gonna pour it or?
Wait, what do you mean pour it?
Like you gonna pour it out?
Oh, pour the beans on the rice?
Like you gonna pour it out or you gonna just eat it like boom, boom, boom?
I'm gonna eat it like boom, boom, boom. Why you coughing? Were they spicy?
Nah, just like no homo went down the whole pipe.
Oh.
You tried the meat?
Yeah, very good. I love when I eat good food, y'all. It makes me feel so like fireworks.
This is even better. Try that. Right?
Ooh.
Even better.
And we get free breakfast, y'all, in the morning. This is not an all-inclusive resort. It's really...
This is different, right?
It's different. It's different from the one we've been to, y'all. This resort is the best resort we've been to. And we haven't even seen all of it. Like, I just know. Y'all, Clarence is getting emotional right now because he's just very grateful.
A lot of niggas don't make it to 28, man. It's crazy. I'm blessed. Because of you guys.
And let's not forget, God allowed him.
Yes, God bless you. That's very true, y'all. God bless him. Good job, Queen. You got him crying over there.
Make it to another year, so we're very thankful for God.
I got a beautiful girlfriend.
Don't do that.
I got a healthy son. Cool ass stepson. You know? Can't complain at all.
You can't.
Started in the basement of my mom's crib.
Yep.
And like now we're here. It's crazy.
Yeah.
That was like 3 years ago. It's crazy, bro. Crazy feeling, bro.
So how did you enjoy your first night?
I enjoyed it very. Yo, the food got me on a high, and I don't want to come down. Like, you know what I mean? Like, food was amazing. Then
that food was good.
I got some churros, some ice cream and caramel. Like, it's going crazy right now. Really good. Like, really good.
You got the itis?
Way better than I expected. A little bit, because I'm a little tired. You know, we didn't really sleep like that.
Oh, yeah, we didn't. We're going to sleep really good tonight.
We're on like 3 hours of sleep. But, man, that food just like took a chunk of energy out of me.
So, before his birthday's over, it's almost 12 midnight, so it's gonna be the 9th. So, remember how I told you that I had one more gift for you?
Surprise!
The luggage.
Huh?
The luggage.
Yeah. But how I said it wasn't the best gift, well, in my opinion. So I have one more gift for him, but I didn't want to go to the room before I gave it to you. What?
Wait, what gift?
Huh? I just want to be somewhere nice and quiet. I wish we had like a little table.
Ooh, what y'all think it is?
We could set up. Oh yeah, this is perfect. So yeah, I feel like he really enjoyed his first day. What?
Now you're saying you have one more gift.
Yeah, I have one more gift that I want to show you, and I didn't want to go to the room because I know we're gonna wind down and go to sleep and all this stuff. So I want to give him this gift.
Is it you?
Huh? What?
It's you?
What do you mean?
My gift.
What? I mean, I am a gift.
Yeah.
Ow.
How much of a gift?
I mean, I hope I could get down and wrap that gift tonight.
Of course. But okay, you gotta close your eyes. Okay, put your hands over your eyes. What?
Are you serious?
Yeah, babe.
Wow.
Babe, just
I got my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I have a gift for you. Show them before I show you. Did you open your eyes, babe?
Yeah, I haven't seen none. I see dark right now.
Okay. Well, you can open your eyes now.
Oh my God.
What?
Why are you doing this to me?
You know I always gotta pop out with something. You ready?
Icebox?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see that? It says icebox on it.
I'm wearing my bracelet he got me the first time.
Wait, is that a hint? Like, you got me a bracelet?
Hey, I'm just saying I'm wearing the stuff that he got me, so.
I don't even know if I want to. Oh, I'm a little nervous.
Why you nervous? Okay.
Oh, I thought it was going to be right there. I gotta open it.
Ready?
Oh, and it got the light on it. got the light box on it. Oh my God.
He said he wanted a pinky ring, y'all. So, or a ring,
I
so.
did. You know what's crazy, bro? I was watching Icebox YouTube, right? And Lil Baby was like looking at this exact ring, bro. And I'm like, yo, this ring is hard. And this the exact ring, bro.
For real?
Like, I think this is the exact ring.
I could barely.
This is crazy. You trying to...
I'm trying to what? Y'all, I'm trying to show it. Oh, here we go. Hold on, let's see it. Oh, look at that, y'all. That thing blinging. The camera's gonna die soon, y'all, but I just wanted to give that to him.
You're going crazy. Let me get a kiss.
Right there.
Thank you, baby.
What?
I swear I was about to hit him up and try to cop this same exact shit. Like this style.
I did good, y'all.
Good job, Queen. He's a very happy man.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice though. I look on him like.
It looks really nice. I got my ring on too that he bought me. The one that I really, really wanted, the infinity ring. Look, talk to me nice.
I don't do that. You wanna make me ice you out.
Boy, I love you on your worst day. Still see you how I.
All right. That was great. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the No-No Squad.
Get in here, West.